I left the for a moment because I wanted to go play some people playground when I waited.
Hey, quick question. Can I record this and put it on YouTube?
Do you really have to ask?
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay.
We should do Cursed Possession run and see if INSENCE watches it.
Doubt it.
What's the code?
I'm still going back into Phasma because of her. Meow, meow, meow. Making a lobby.
Okay, I can't tell if that was meows of anger or meows of just meows.
753 599.
Guess what? Gotta guess what?
What? Ready up, what?
No,
We're
guess
doing
what?
a regular.
No, guess what?
Alright.
Seriously, guess what?
Why?
We have
Why?
school tomorrow.
Get ready up, please, because I want to get tier 3 incense done quickly. Ready up! Ready up!
No! We timed it at the same time. Meow, meow. You stole my camera and my.
Come on, just get this. Hey, where's my thermometer? I have my thermometer. Fine,
I gave it to you.
Where's the other one?
I don't know it, man. Oh, found it.
Where's the... I'm missing a thermometer.
It's right there up against one of the walls.
I don't see it. Do I need a flashlight for this?
It's on the wall.
For me, it's not. I don't see it.
Oh, keep the lights off and EMF reader out. Also, I found the bone. Keep the lights off though. The ghost does more interactions, we can find it easier.
Okay. I'll try to help with the UV stick. But I put that flashlight there so we can see. Flashlights don't count for that, by the way.
I know, I just mean keep the lights off. It does more interactions, which will help us find the ghost room. I may or may not have watched way too much INSENCE. These videos are really good. Oh, doors shut all the way, by the way. It's in here.
Yeah, does it put the same? Here. UV?
I'm gonna put an EMF reader on the power box.
UV. Yeah, we got UV. Oh, you got fuse box.
It's a djinn. It's a djinn. It is a djinn.
No, it's a Hontu.
No, it's a djinn.
Jinns can't turn off the fuse box. It's a Hontu. Hontu's
If we get a djinn, then I'm going to slap you in the face tomorrow.
Jinns have a not Jinns. Hontus have a chance after turning on after a player turns on a fuse box to almost immediately turn it off. So it's a Hontu.
Unless I did turn it off. I don't know, but I'm still probably gonna.
Was your EMF signal?
Yeah, there was an EMF signal of 2, but I don't know if I shut it off or the ghost did. The reason being is because I freaked out and shut it immediately as fast as I could, so now I don't know.
Oh, you touched the window again, eh? Your buddy keeps touching the window. He really likes to touch this window.
How many evidence things?
It's 3. but we still earn the same amount as Nightmare, so it's good. Bringing in a video camera, because I'm gonna go check for Orbeez. If there is Orbeez, then it does point to Hantu. And it doesn't, and it means it's not a gym.
Jesus Christ.
Scare the bejesus out of us. No visible Orbeez, and turn this on.
I get scared way too easily.
It's okay.
No, I'm just way too tired. Also, then again, I get braces Wednesday, which I'm not excited for and kind of scared for it because everybody I asked to says it's absolute pain.
It's not so bad. I've had braces before myself. The only thing I hated
I don't
about
know
it
if
was
my friends are trying to scare me or they're literally just telling the truth. Because if it is absolute pain, that is not going to be fun.
Well, it's not really painful. It's the tightening of the braces kind of hurt. That's the part that I don't like. Checking for Orbeez. I'm in there checking for Orbeez. What happened?
I lost my camera.
Want me to bring another one in there?
I don't know. I lost my camera though. Here's boxes out. It is a Hantu.
Yeah, it can't be a Jin.
Ghost orbs. Jeez. I was like, wait, what is that? Ghost orbs.
They're Orbeez?
Oh, it can't be a Hantu.
If there's Orbeez?
It can't be a Hantu. What other ghost can turn off the power right away?
That's the only one. Or it could just be a mimic. That could be a possibility. There's Fingies, so check it. Fingies over here, Sam. Dots!
Yeah, I know.
Dots.
I also just now realized that I messed up 2 photos.
No, Goryo. It's a Banshee or Phantom.
Yeah, I already know.
Temperature.
It also probably can't be a Hantu.
Okay, Sam, get in the truck for a moment, because if it's a Phantom, and it did a ghost event, your sanity's probably gonna go. It's probably screaming because it's so low right now.
EMF 5.
Oh, that is a Phantom.
Nope.
That's a Gory.
That's a 3.
Can't be ghost ready.
It is not EMF 5, but no, I'm out. Goodbye.
I think it might be a Phantom.
Nope, bye. Have a great time. Thank you. Goodbye.
Did you shut the door? Yes, you did.
Bye. Have a great time.
It's a Phantom or a Banshee. It can't be a Goryo because I saw Dots.
I'm taking 2 because I haven't had one in a while.
Yeah, I'm okay with it because I mean, if it did a ghost event, so your sanity's probably lower.
Grab an incense, and I'm gonna constantly have. Oh, don't look in the corner. Your brother's definitely not playing something relating to chess and guns.
Yes, I know what he's playing, Sam. I can see it myself.
I wonder if in Steam anybody has seen my entire library. I think I have like 67 games now. I'm addicted.
Oh, you're in here. Are you here? Are you friendly? Are you friendly?
I also just now realized.
Are you? Are you here? Are you friendly? Or are you? Are you here? Are you friendly? It's a Phantom!
There's a Phantom.
Yep. Your box. Ah,
Stay
it's
away
a beautiful...
from me. Stay away from me. The breath of one of the ghost event just happened with the ghost's breath again.
Oh god, yeah, your sanity's probably really low. Let's just get out of here. And my brother's not being annoying. He's being very annoying. It's a phantom. It's a fan. Oh god, my brother's being annoying. Ah, one more
Isn't
match
that
to get it.
normal?
What? Yeah,
I
that is
said,
normal.
isn't that just normal?
I'll be right back. I get something.
Two more levels until tier 3 dots, guys. Let's go. Let's go. That's about me.
Sorry, had to do something quickly. Oh, I'm back. Oh, you have the standing model. Oh, let's get that tier 3 smudge sticks and see how good they are. And we can test that in first possession roulette.
Is that what we're doing right now? Or...
Yeah, I say once we get it, tier 3 smudge.
Okay, remember, lights stay off. No cursed possessions, if I'm correct.
Yeah, there's no cursed possessions, so. Did you shut a door?
No, but the door's shut behind me over here.
Yuri, probably.
No temperature drop.
Huh? Oh. I think it might be a basement ghost. I already know.
Turn off the lights, just in case.
Wait a sec. Oh, yeah, it's down. It's somewhere else in the house.
I'm checking to make sure that it's not gonna try and kill me with the lights.
Alright, found a ghost room. It's the first room. The first room is the room. By the way, were there any hiding spots in the garage?
I don't know, I didn't fully check the garage. I checked for the power box and that's it.
Alright.
Not a gin. Thank you for telling me, Ghost.
What?
Are you sure it's upstairs?
It's not upstairs.
It's in the basement.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was saying. Basement door shut. Did do a ghost
It's
event.
not in the room you said it was supposed to be in. It's in this room. Right here.
Yeah, I know. This is the room I was saying. Let's turn on these.
I'm gonna place this. Did you turn on the lights?
Yeah, just did that so we could have the lights on.
No, leave them off. We want as many photos as possible.
Dude, we get photos plenty easily fine.
I love
Did you
photos.
find? I know. That's what I'm saying. The lights are okay if they're. Did you just
Yeah,
turn off
you
the?
need them. Leave the lights off. We get more reaction.
You want to come and get a? Crucifix!
Can I just take a picture of that?
Yeah, take a picture of it and run. Okay, Sam. I think we're dealing with a demon here, or something like that.
No
Is that right?
kidding.
Yeah, no poltergeist, no spirit, no phantom. Let's leave phantom there. No Jin, baby Jin. No revenant. No Yurei. No, leave Yurei. No Obake, especially no Diojin. No twins. No
Do
Goryo.
we
No
even have
Oni.
any hiding spots?
I don't know. No Myling. No Roan. So the choices that we're left with are Phantom Jin, Banshee Mare, Demon, Yokai, Yurei, Onryo, Raiju, Mimic, or they. Because if it burned the crucifix
What's the
that
chance that I'm
early,
gonna die?
pretty high.
So
Yeah, maybe.
long.
So long, Sam. Do you have a smudge stick at least?
I only
Okay.
have one, and that's used to clear the area around the ghost with incense.
Yes. Prevent the ghosts from hunting the crucifix. Wow. That's pretty insane. Did it by any chance do a ghost event?
No.
Okay, no Phantom or Banshee.
Dots! And I don't know if it was on the video cam. Either way, dots.
Okay. Yokai, Yurei, Raiju, or they?
Not freezing.
Yeah.
I saw that!
Yeah. It's a Yokai, Yurei, Raiju, or they. It definitely no Deojin, that's for sure. 'Cause that was way too early. No Wraith, no Banshee, no Phantom, no Oni, no. Yeah, no Oni, no Goryo. None of that
Because I don't
because.
need... What did you chuck now? Really?
Orbeez! Orbeez!
Oh,
We got Orbeez!
I'm screwed then, almost.
It's a Yokai, Yurei, Raiju, or they. All the things that are nasty are their chances.
Wait, what evidence do we have then?
Ghost orbs and dots, that's it.
Bring a UV in here. Please.
Do you want to turn on the fuse box, please?
Fuse box is on. There's no lights down here though, and I don't want lights on besides in the hallway. Lights in hallway only.
Front door is shut!
I died.
Is it over?
Nope. Stay in the house. And then stay out of the house.
It's fast. It's the day. Please look for him.
What?
Please look for him. Is he still here?
Dude, I don't know.
Do you see him?
I don't see nothing. Don't go out yet. Oh, I see where you're hiding.
Do you know where he is?
No.
Is he here?
I don't know.
No.
Dude, calm down. Hiding spot in garage, and no, he's not here. Go. Run. I think it's a Raichu, wouldn't it be?
No, it's a day. There's no electronics nearby for it.
Smudge.
I'm dead. I died. Really? Really? Oh my god.
You
We
didn't
got all
take
the
any pills, dude. No.
I did take a pill. No. It is a they though. And we got all objectives too. Oh. Do I have to buy all my stuff again? Oh, that stunk. Oh, I should have just stayed in the house. Oh.
You shouldn't have stayed in the house. You should have stayed out of the house.
Ugh. Oof. At least we figured out what it was. Oof.
Ever heard the clipboard disappear? Oh, I found it.
Ooh.
I saw the lights flickering, thought it was a ghost event. It was, and then started hunting immediately after.
Ooh, that was a terrible round. What was that? Case... For me, case 808 was a terrible round.
For me, a 465.
Ooh.
100 more days than a year.
Yes? Okay. That was pure, genuine horror. Back to that last one, Sam.
Found it!
Sam? What?
It's around here.
What'd it do?
It opened a door and I got an EMF signal while I was... It's here. Right here.
So the living room, you're saying? Yeah, living room. Let's turn on these lights, because these ones are too far to do
How
anything.
about we just do this?
Oh, yeah, the TV. If I remember, the TV doesn't count that night. Good. I'm gonna put the crucifix in there again because I have a feeling that it's a good thing to put the crucifix in there.
Ever heard afraid of dying? Me running towards it.
Wait, did it touch a door you said, right?
Yeah, it touched the door over there, but it would be long gone by now.
It wouldn't be long gone. Yeah, I don't think that. It might be just not UV. Temperature, that's a copy.
No, Eberhard, it did an EMF signal and then it was gone after 1 second of it doing it.
Sam, it's not in there.
It's not in here anymore.
I know, it's insane. Is it just the... It's a kitchen ghost. Yeah, it's trying to... This lady,
Yeah, I said it was around here.
But UV check. Oh! EMF 5, okay.
No UV.
Okay. It's unfortunate our salt's already all gone. At least it's better than getting slaughtered by a they early on.
Well, I say we can bring it over here, smudge it, and then come back over if it falls around the table, small table.
I'm gonna bring the smudge sticks in, like 2 of them, because the kitchen is actually kind of a good spot to loop the ghost. As you saw, if you saw me in the living room of last round, I was in a looping position, but it was just such a fast ghost, I can't really do anything with that. Ooh.
Just in case it decides to hunt, we're checking all the plates on in one area.
I'm gonna check for Orbeez, okay?
I'm turning at least one light on.
Oops. Let's put that there. So put this here. Fingers.
Ghost riding!
Oh.
Miling!
Writing? Why is it a miling?
Ghost riding. UV. Oh wait, no UV. Never mind.
Is it no? Oh, no Orbeez, so don't bother looking for Orbeez.
That's why I didn't look for them.
Ugh. Oh, that last round. Sticker photos. Okay, no screw up so far. That's good.
It turned off the lights.
I heard the ghost event sound.
No UV.
Yeah. Temperature. Okay. Is it? It's the neighboring room over here. What, Earhart? Checking for spirit box. Are you here? Are you friendly? Are you French? Where are you? Are you here? Are you friendly? Where are you? Are you here? Are you friendly? Where are you? Do you want to hurt me? Are you here? Are you friendly?
MF5.
Yeah, I know. Are you here? Are you friendly? Do you want to hurt us? Are you here? Are you angry? Okay. Why do you keep doing EMF 5?
I'm doing it because unless we're late and it's an Obake or something like that.
Oh no, I'm asking the ghost why it keeps doing EMF 5,
Ask
not
it
you.
to do an interaction.
Ask it to do an Ooh, that's actually. I'm bringing their ghost writing book in and some firelights.
Huh.
What?
It chucked all of these at once, and,
Can't be a poltergeist.
Or it chucked one underneath, and it decided to go.
Let's see. Where's the thermometer? Like the other one, right up here. Okay, where's the ghost room? It keeps changing its room. Oh, now it's... Never mind.
Well, now it's never mind.
Oh, now it's living room.
Hmm.
It keep... Never mind, it's not living room.
Well, I'm gonna go...
Here?
Wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
The salt.
Grab incense right now. Grab it. Grab it. Grab it. Grab incense. Grab incense.
I'm bringing also
Take
some...
that, depression.
I'll bring in some of sanity for you to eat, Sam. Because I'm pretty sure you're a little lower than I am. So.
I think it's the twins.
It can't be the twins. We got ghost writing.
Okay, then explain how it's doing interactions to the living room, garage, and then for some reason got over to the teal room.
We didn't even get the incense test. It didn't work. And also, here's some drugs for you to eat.
Take that, depression. Okay, wait. Then explain how it got all the way to the teal room for an interaction.
It must be a very roamy ghost. It could just be a very extremely...
It did an interaction here with this thing, and then I went over to the blue room at the same time. I was in between, heard something at the teal room, and there was something on the floor. Then there was this on the floor too.
Temperature's dropping in here.
No kidding.
Let me grab that little funny box. Are you here? Are you friendly? Where are you? Do you want to hurt me? Are you here?
Wait, did we find the hiding spots yet?
I don't know. Where are you here? Are you friendly? Where are you?
Baby room.
Are you friendly? Are you here? Do you want to hurt me? Where are you? Are you here? Are you friendly? Where are you? Are you here?
Basement has one, I'm guessing.
Are you friendly? Where are you? Are you here? Are you friendly? Where are you? Are you here? Are you friendly? Where are you? Are you here? Are you friendly? Where are you? Are you here? Are you friendly? Where are you? Oh my god.
Well, I didn't know if it was roaming all around the house, so I just took a step out so then you could do it.
Yeah, I think it's very roamy, whatever type of ghost it is, it's very roamy.
I'm gonna do the entire house, for instance. Let you know if I die.
I'm gonna eat a pill because it's been...
Yeah, I'm gonna let you know if I die.
I'm gonna use the bathroom, we'll be right back. Let me know if it does anything sussy like evidence. Never mind, my brother's in the... What?
Run.
Did you get the incense? No,
Nope,
you did not.
That's something else that's pretty deadly.
Your box?
Okay, explain how it started a hunt, and then I shut off the truck, and it stopped.
Wait, it started a hunt?
It started a hunt. I heard the door shut and everything. No ghost event stuff like that. It was locked. I shut off the car, and then the hunt stopped.
Might be.
Define.
First of all, if it hunted, it would be too high for a shade, so it would be a spirit. But also, it's been very active,
And
so
I
I
went
doubt
around the entire house with incense, and it didn't do nothing. The ghost is out of bounds, is what I think.
Yeah, it keeps it. Yeah, first of all, it hasn't been having a really distinctive ghost room. It's just been hovering across the area.
Oreo.
I think we might be doing with the spirit because I noticed it was getting a little bit more aggressive over time, like in activity. Oh, hi, Wolfgang. Yeah, I'm saying spirit. Let's get out of here. If it's a shade, I'm just. That's
odd. Oh wait, I
yeah.
did spam click it, so. Oh shoot, we gotta exit and go back in. What's with the your feet being lights? What's up with that?
My feet being spots with the flashlights on. If it's a shade, I'm gonna be seriously confused.
I've got some jobs ready for you.
I'm very confused.
How is it? I want to know why. How is it so? Dude, when it's a ghost, it's deliberately known for being extremely shy. Also, what's the
That
second?
was not shy. It was doing ghost events and all that left and right. I don't think Phasmophobia knows how to Phasmophobia.
Yeah, that was kind of weird.
Should I wear my sweatshirt that feels like a blanket to school? Everhard.
What?
Should I wear my sweatshirt that feels like a blanket to school tomorrow?
I don't know.
Well, depending on what the temperature's supposed to be.
Hard, please. Sorry. Well, oh, it must have been roaming. There's this thing called roaming.
Yeah, I know what that is, Everhard.
It must have just roamed, it just must have constantly roamed.
I'm
I'm just
putting
bad.
on comfies, so I have like these very, very thick socks that I like to wear that feel like slippers. It is getting freezing in my room since it's starting to get dark. My computer's not warming it up really. So. Everhard, select a map. I'm pretty sure you went to the bathroom, so.
Shade, oh my god. That's just so annoying. Why? Why? Why did that shade have to be like that? Send me one to Becca? Okay.
Dude, I was waiting for you to come back. You just didn't speak, so.
Yeah, sorry. Oh, that was. I've been thinking. I think Kinetic Games needs to get back to work at them. The behaviors department because that shade was a seriously disappointment. Oh, I heard that. Ghost room acquired. Got it. So it's like this room over here. Oh, bone.
Hallway. I mean, not hallway, bathroom. Ghost room acquired. It's the bathroom.
Yeah, it's bad. I'll get the other stuff.
Wingardium Leviosa. Oh,
Do you want to get you want to see a fuse boxes in garage?
Mess with the door again.
I'll go get UV and a crucifix because of how it's been behaving lately. The ghosts. UV thingies. No hunting allowed for you.
This ghost is the opposite of our last ghost. Oh, hiding spot in the garage.
Oh, that's helpful.
Only one hiding spot though, so it's the 2 lockers in the front.
Fuse box in garage.
Does that answer the question?
Oh yeah, it is.
Hey.
What?
More door.
More door action. We got thingies, by the way. Thingies.
Oh, and ghost riding.
Oh, that could be a demon. Wait, no Orbeez and no dots. Wow. I love how I brought in the evidence
So
to
we have
say,
UV and ghost riding.
are you here? Are you friendly? Are you here? Where are you? Are you here? Are you friendly? Where are you? Do you want to hurt me? Where are you? Are you here? Do you want to hurt us? Where are you? Do you want to hurt me? Are you here? Where are you? Are you here? What Earhart? And burn my room, there's the door. Ugh. What Earhart? Earhart, please don't. What did you do?
Flush the toilet. I flushed the toilet.
Wait. Did you just...
You messed up one. Come on, man.
I didn't even try to. It just disappeared out of nowhere, the thingies. That was not my fault. The thingies is literally disintegrated as soon as I was taking it up. Saying, don't blame...
But I want to. Also, blow out the candle.
Yeah, no. You want to try Spirit Box? I just think the Spirit Box...
Do you want to hurt us? How old are you? How old are you? Are you here? Do you want to hurt us? How old are you? Are you pizza? Are you pizza? Are you grandma? How old are you? Where are you? What time is it? How old are you? How old are you? Where are you? What is your name? How old are you? How old are you?
Spirit Box?
I recommend running.
It's a poltergeist.
It is?
Wait, what did it do?
Burn the crucifix.
Demon question mark? Eat a pill, Sam.
What do you think I'm doing? Jeez.
Demon question mark?
Go turn on the power and come in here with me.
And it was greedy soul. And another crucifix. Oh yeah, you're right.
Once the area near the ghost is completed.
What's
How
the
old
temperature?
are you? Where are you?
Temperature.
What
Sorry,
is your
temperature.
name? How old are you? How old are you? Where are you? What is your name? Where are you? How old are you? Where are you? How old are you? How old are you? What is your name? Quit shutting off my light supplies, it's annoying. I'll actually keep doing it, but only when we actually have photos. How old are you? Where are you? Hello? What is your name? How old are you? Where are you? What is your name? I've heard stop acting like you're the ghost, because you're not. How old are you?
Checking
Where are
temperatures.
you? What is your name? How old are you? Where are you? What is your name? How old are you? Quit turning off my light supply, you idiot! How old are you? Where are you? What is your name? How old are you? Where are you? What is your name? Quit turning off my lights, you idiot!
I can see you from the truck.
It is not Spirit Box whatsoever. This thing does not want to respond.
So no poltergeist.
For a second, I thought I saw the thing start going crazy, and I was like, oh god.
A crucifix again.
No, I thought I saw the thing going nuts, but it didn't. So, no spirit. Oh, yeah, I've got to be kidding me.
I
No
don't think
Spirit
it's.
Box. It's a demon or a myling. This is not fun. No dots. Ghost orbs, EMF 5 or freezing. I'm gonna go in there and check the temperature after I take another pill.
Ghost orbs can't. It isn't even possible to know ghost orbs.
What do you mean? We have ultraviolet and ghost writing. Ghost. Oh, no. Freezing or EMF, never mind.
It just blew out your light source again, Sam.
I don't care. I'm going in there with 2 incense. Hopefully gonna smudge it and make my way safely to where I need to go. Run. I know what ghost it is, and I'm not happy about it. It is not freezing, it is a myling. Let's go.
EMF 5?
It's not a myling. There's no ghost orbs. I mean, it's not
Myling's-
freezing, and I haven't gotten... I don't know. I'm selecting myling.
Myling's EMF 5.
Yeah, there's no freezing whatsoever. In any area of that place. It's not freezing. Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
I've prepared some jobs for you.
It was a. Why?
It wasn't freezing!
I think they might have some bugs they need to fix.
Yeah, they got some bugs, because it was not freezing whatsoever. It's saying that it's not what I think it was, and now I'm confused, and I don't know how to play Phasmophobia no more.
I know. I got tier 3 smudge.
And I got depression. I'm kidding. Take that, depression.
Let me quickly go send it on Christmas. Ready?
Sorry, I'm plugging in something. So I can grab something easier.
Oh wow, look at tier 3 smudge. Whoa!
Whoa, what?
Fast.
Explain. You just activate.
Oh no! Oh no!
Stop!
Are you okay?
You were activating mine and mine was activating yours. What was going on?
Yeah, I'm calling basement, by the way.
I have a bad feeling that you... Eberhard?
God,
Goodbye.
lady.
Goodbye. Just goodbye.
What are you doing?
You're gonna kill us. That's what you're gonna do.
What are you grabbing?
Nothing.
Why did you grab the tarot cards?
No reason whatsoever. Tower, 50%. Sun, 100%. Devil, there's ton. High Priestess?
First try?
Sweet, reviving people. Devil. Hunt. Wheel of Fortune, good, plus 25%. I'm dead.
Did you die?
I just pulled death.
We have a funny thing called High Priestess.
I know, but I don't want to use that yet. Sunshine, lollipops, and rainbows everywhere. Are we sure the ghost doesn't have depression? Oh, Jesus!
Is it hunting still?
I'm glad this ain't a Diogen. I am so glad this ain't a Diogen. Shut. I swear. Oh, come on, you have got to be kidding me. I have a dead pixel.
Oh.
I can see that on my screen. It is a dead pixel. Or a very bright pixel, I don't know, but there's... It's like this... It's... Right there. Right there, everyone. Right there. Dead pixel. My monitor, I don't think you guys can see, but it's right there. I'm gonna test. Tower, minus 50%. I mean, back to 50%. Tower, 50% still. Wheel of Fortune, good, plus 25%. Yeah, that's right, I read up on Phasmophobia. I know what all the tarot cards do. Ha! In your face, Eberhard.
Oh, I gotta go.
What? Just instantly, Eberhard just... Okay.
To you. Can I switch over to my phone to talk to you?